Designing organizational structure, authority and control. Designing an organizational structure is one of the most critical aspects of managing an organization, as it defines how authority and control are distributed within the company. Authority refers to the right to make decisions, allocate resources, and direct activities, while control refers to the mechanisms in place to ensure that those decisions are implemented and organizational goals are achieved. The design of authority and control within an organization directly impacts its efficiency, decision-making processes, communication flow, and overall performance. At the core of designing authority and control is determining the appropriate hierarchy for decision-making. Organizations can adopt various hierarchical structures depending on their size, goals, and operating environment. In a hierarchical structure, authority is concentrated at the top levels of management, and decision-making flows downwards through a chain of command. This structure is often used in large, stable organizations where consistency and control are priorities. The advantage of a hierarchical system is that it provides clear authority lines and accountability. However, it can also lead to slow decision-making processes, as each decision must pass through multiple layers of management. Alternatively, organizations may choose a flat structure where there are fewer levels of management and authority is more decentralized. This type of structure is often adopted by smaller or more agile companies that prioritize flexibility, faster decision-making, and employee empowerment. In a flat organization, decision-making is pushed down to lower levels, allowing employees to take more initiative and ownership of their tasks. While this can lead to increased innovation and faster response times, it may also result in a lack of control and coordination, as decisions are made without sufficient oversight from higher management. A matrix structure is another option, which blends aspects of both hierarchical and flat structures. In a matrix organization, employees report to multiple managers, usually both a functional manager, such as marketing or finance, and a project or product manager. This allows the organization to achieve more effective coordination and resource allocation across different departments or projects. However, matrix structures can also create confusion regarding authority and control, as employees may receive conflicting directions from different managers. Clear communication and well-defined roles are essential in matrix organizations to ensure smooth operations and minimize conflicts. The concept of centralization versus decentralization plays a significant role in determining authority and control within an organization. In a centralized organization, decision-making authority is concentrated at the top levels, typically with executives or senior managers. Centralization ensures consistency in decision-making, easier coordination, and a unified strategic direction. However, it can stifle creativity and slow down responses to local market conditions. On the other hand, decentralization pushes decision-making authority to lower levels of the organization, enabling quicker responses to market changes and greater autonomy for lower-level managers. While decentralization fosters innovation and adaptability, it can lead to inconsistencies in decisions and challenges in maintaining a cohesive strategy across the organization. Span of control is another crucial factor in designing authority and control. The span of control refers to the number of subordinates a manager is responsible for overseeing. A narrow span of control means that a manager supervises only a few employees, which allows for more direct control, closer supervision, and stronger relationships between managers and their teams. However, this can also result in a more bureaucratic and expensive structure, as more managers are needed to maintain supervision. A wide span of control, on the other hand, allows managers to oversee more employees, reducing costs and increasing autonomy for employees. However, this can lead to challenges in supervision, coordination, and communication, particularly in larger organizations. Another important consideration in the design of authority and control is formalization, the degree to which rules, procedures, and policies are established and followed within the organization. High formalization provides clear guidelines and ensures consistency in decision-making and operations. In highly formalized organizations, employees follow strict protocols, which helps maintain control and minimize errors. However, excessive formalization can limit creativity, reduce employee empowerment, and slow down the decision-making process. Conversely, a lower level of formalization allows for more flexibility and quicker decision-making, but may introduce inconsistency and uncertainty in the execution of tasks.